Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. So as you can see, I switched it up a bit and now I am blonde and I have a bob. It is getting nice outside. It is spring and the sun is coming out. So with that being said, I wanted to go for some bangs before it gets too hot. So yeah, this is the look, and in this video we are going to be reviewing this unit that I got from WavyMyHair. This is my second time working with this company, but this is my first time doing a review on some colored hair for them, okay? So in this video we are going to get into an unboxing, and then we're going to get into styling, and then I am going to give you my final thoughts of this unit. So stay tuned if that's something that you would like to see.
Shorty bad, slim big, she might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist, she the plug, she finesse, she the one they call the go.
This video is in collaboration with WavyMyHair, and I was just sent over this unit to review, and this is the packaging. So the first thing you get is this bandana. You also get a face mask that got a little bling on it. You get a comb. This comb is used for straightening, like if you want to do the chasing method, you can do it using this. And then you also get a thank you card, as well as a wig cap in the color nude. And then the wig is a 613 4x4 lace closure unit, and it has 4 combs, 2 on the temple, 1 on the top of the head, and 1 at the nape, as well as adjustable straps. So I'm back. Off camera, all I did was the same thing that I did to this side, I did to this side. I just could not see the back of my head, so I didn't want to chance it, so I did the back off camera, and I just did the same thing to this side. So everything I did to this side, I did this to this side, and y'all saw me cut my bangs on camera. But yes, I also changed my shirt because the hair was all over my shirt and it was really itchy, okay? So yes, this is how it came out. I think it looks so pretty. It looks really pretty. I have been wanting a blonde bob with bangs for the longest, like I want to say years, to be honest with you, and this is the first time I did it, and I love it. I love it. Okay, so let's get into the specs. So again, this is from WavyMyHair, and I'm actually going to be reading the specs from the site. So this is their 613 blonde. It is the 4x4 closure lace unit. Okay, so it is a 4x4 closure. When I put it on, all I did was basically cut the closure as my bang. Same thing if I was going to make the wig. I did the same thing, okay? Now, this unit comes in 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14-inch, and it also comes in 3 densities, 150, 180, and 250. Now, I I wish that I would have kind of went on the site and kind of picked out something a little bit more customized, because I would have got I probably would have went to 14 inches, and I probably would have did the 180 or the 250% density. But I'm thinking I probably would have went with 180% density. 250 is a lot, okay? So if you were gonna do 250, I would say do it if it's like long hair. But for the bob, I probably would have did 180. The reason why I would have did 14 inches for the bob is because I think with the 14 inch, I wouldn't have cut it. Like, I just would have styled it up and did some curls and just had like a nice little bob. But because this length was so awkward and it looked like I had split ends, I felt like I had to cut that down. So with looking at it, I knew it was thin. I was like, no, a middle part is not gonna work, so I'm gonna cut me some bangs. So that's exactly what I did. So I feel like this was more like a 12 inch, and it is 150% density, so it was thin. So I did a style that I felt like would fit the density of the hair, and it did, you know, it just would go with it better than me doing like, you know, a middle part or a side part with some type of curls or something, because it looked really thin. But with it, you know, with the 150% density and that length, I think this is perfect. If you're gonna go for this look, this was perfect, okay? So I wouldn't go for the 10 inch. No, I would go for the 12 inch if you're gonna get this look. If you're gonna go higher, I would say 14 inches, all right? But yeah, I think it was so easy to style. Before y'all seen me come on camera with the hair flat ironed, I actually washed it, because I always wash my hair, and I washed it in purple shampoo to strip the color of the yellowness. Like, it was really yellow, and that's how 613 hair comes. But I personally, for my skin complexion, the yellow does not look right. A lighter white looks better on my skin complexion. So I stripped the hair by using a purple shampoo, okay? After that, I let the hair dry, and then I flat ironed it, bone straight, and I prepped it for this style. Like, cause I already knew I was gonna do bangs, because again, it was a little bit too thin, and it looked like dead ends because it was too thin. So this was the length that I came up with, and I think it looks really nice. I cut just a few inches off. This is how much came off. This is the length. It just was a little too thin. Like, it just wasn't giving. And I know that looks long, but it really was not this long. It was like right here, but I don't know why. That just looks extra long. It was just some pieces in the front was like really long, and then some pieces in the back was shorter. It was like all over the place. So that's pretty much it. It was a simple 1, 2, 3 thing, so I didn't have to do too much. As you saw, I just got to cutting, and that was pretty much it. Like, I didn't have to do anything. So it's a pretty easy breezy type of hairstyle. This is a type of hairstyle you basically just throw your wig on and go. That is literally it. So that's why I love these type of styles for like the spring and the summer. You literally just put it on your head and go. So that is pretty much it. The hair quality seems very nice. I had no issues when I'm trying to flat iron the hair. There wasn't hair like melting or anything like that. It seemed like authentic virgin hair. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. If you're looking for some good 613 units, I would definitely recommend this company. I normally have a whole list of things as far as the points that I want to make in a video about a unit when I'm reviewing it. So let's go down the list. I already told you about the density. I told you about the length, the shedding. I'm not getting a lot of shedding, but there is some shedding. I am not getting any tangling whatsoever, and no snagging whatsoever. This hair could be colored, especially because it's blonde. Usually when people get this color, it is to play with color. So if you are looking to do like a bright color or something, even like a nice brown down. You could definitely get this hair. I would recommend it. This hair could be flat ironed, it could be curled. I already told you about what I washed the hair with to kind of lift it to this color, and I didn't use any products whatsoever. I didn't add any type of oil. I added nothing. The hair is beautiful on its own and it did not need anything. Okay, so my overall rating of this hair would be a 9 out of 10. I didn't really have any issues outside of the ends looking really thin and just like lifeless, so that's why I cut it. But that is pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed. If y'all have any questions, y'all can let me know down in the comments and I will get back to you. I thank you so much for watching. I will have the links to WavyMyHair down in the bottom bar for you, as well as my last review that I did for this company on a different unit, just in case you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to my next video. Bye y'all.